Hi, viewers. We are going to discuss about squeeze casting infiltration. Squeeze casting infiltration is a hybrid metal forming technique that combines casting and forging used especially for making metal matrix composites. Okay, in this process, molten metal is infiltrated into porous reinforcement preform under high mechanical pressure using a die, often with a hydraulic press. Right. It's a brute force infiltration method of liquid phase fabrication of metal matrix composites. Okay, but it's using a movable part for applying pressure on the molten metal and forcing it to penetrate into the performed dispersed phase and placed into the lower fixed mold part. Okay. Here we can see the squeeze casting infiltration. We have one upper mobile mold off, and then here we can see the lower fixed mold off, right? And finally, the ejector pin also given. After completing the process, we can remove the product with the help of this pin, and the molten metal placing area also is shown here, and how we are applying this load from top to bottom. Okay, that shown here after getting the after making the product. We can in second figure we can see the molten metal shapes. Okay, metal matrix shape. Here we will pour the material, molten material, and preform material also placed inside this die. Okay. After that, we are going to apply the load with the help of top upper movable mold off. Okay. That load will apply in the downward direction. Okay, that metal is going to compress, it will shrinkage. Okay, finally after completing the process we can remove the product with the help of ejector pin. Okay, and we have some squeeze casting filtration process steps. Okay, at first we can perform dispersed phase. Okay, is placed into the lower fixed molder, and then molten metal in a predetermined amount is poured into the lower molder, right? And then upper movable molder moves downwards and force the liquid metal to infiltrate that the performance, and then the infiltrated material solidifies under the pressure. Okay, and finally after completing this entire process we can remove from the this part is removed from the body by means of the ejector pin. This is the process steps. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the applications of squeeze casting infiltration. Generally, we can use for metal matrix composite, automotive industries, and aerospace and defense, high strength wear resistance parts, and in thermal management components. Okay, but in metal matrix composites we can use to make the aerospace component like turbine blade, structural parts, okay, like this. And also we can use in automotive parts to make pistons, brake rotor, connecting rods, like this. Okay, in automotive industries, generally we can make engine blocks, brake calipers, and suspension components. like these products we can make in automotive industries by using squeeze casting infiltration. Okay, and in aerospace and defense generally is used for to increase the high strength to weight ratio, fatigue resistance, and dimensional to get the dimensional accuracy. Okay, and in wear resistance part we can make gear bearings and tooling components. This type of products we can make. Okay, and in thermal management components we can make heat sinks, electronic packaging, and power electronics components like this. Okay, uh, thank you.